Hello, this is Tina LaFrenire, founder of Related Faces. In this video, I'm going to take you on a very quick tour inside of the Related Faces platform. This tour is meant to be a sneak peek. If you're looking for an informational tutorial, you may want to check out our tutorials on YouTube. When you sign into Related Faces, you are greeted on your home screen page. This page is a great place to find information you may need. We offer some of our top tips right here in the center of the page. Before you get started, we recommend reading our comprehensive help document. It's loaded with great information and tons of images to help you. On our footer, we have our frequently asked questions, which is regularly updated, and we answer questions from great customers just like you. In the upper right is your settings, and this is the place where you can do things like change your password. You can always come back to this page by clicking on the Related Faces logo. After you've read the help document and are ready to upload photos, you can simply click on the Upload on the top menu bar, and the photo upload widget will open. You can either click on the purple words, Upload a Photo, to open a browser window, or you can drag and drop a photo into the box. From there, you can enter any data about the photo and the people in your photo. Clicking on the My Photos will open a page where we store all your photos. On this page, you can create and edit photo boxes by clicking on the box in the upper left corner. And if you click on the magnifying glass, you can search. Clicking on a photo will show you an expanded version of the photo, along with the data associated with it and the ability to edit that data. Clicking on the head and shoulders icon will show you the people and their data and give you the ability to reassign those people to a different profile if you've made a mistake or maybe you learned some new information. Clicking on My People takes you to where your people profiles are stored. You can create and edit a photo album by clicking on the box. You can search by clicking on the magnifying glass. You can reorder the profiles on the page by clicking on the funnel. Or if you're looking for a specific profile, you can click on the list and we show you a comprehensive list in alphabetical order. Clicking on a picture of a person will take you into that profile. Here you will see all of the photos assigned to that profile, and you can edit any information associated with that person right there. Clicking on the pairings will take you to all the pairings for that person, and it shows you that all-important resemblance number right below each pairing. You can sort your pairings by all the pairings, ones with your own photos, ones with other users' photos, or ones you might have made with the Library of Congress. Clicking on a pairing will open up the pairing flow, and you can decide if this person on the right is the same as your profile, which is shown on the left. Any data associated with the photo and the profile will be displayed. At the bottom is your decision panel. You can make a match, saying, yes, that is my person. You can say, well, maybe I don't know, and click on the uncertain, and that will move this pairing to the uncertain page. You could say, no, this isn't my person, and you can click on decline. It will move it to the decline page where you can later go back and remove that pairing permanently. Or if it may be someone who is a sister, brother, cousin, somebody who looks a lot like your person, you could actually assign that to someone else if this person on this pairing has not made a pairing with the actual person, or maybe you don't have a profile for that person. So we hope this quick tour has shown you some of the powerful features of Related Faces, and we hope you can solve many of your photo mysteries.